Now wow. No wonder they say Gume person dey plan. See my life. Work what they do, they collect 30,000 naira. I say the money too small. All because I collect contribution of 50,000. I go stop work, I resign. All my mind be say that 50,000, at least I go dey spend them before you know work go come. 4 months don't go now. Work no come. Even where I write application go, now me they call them. Hello sir. Have you forgotten me? Put the 500 naira wey dey my account. I won't go withdraw. They say I no fit withdraw. Hungry, they fire me like this. Now nary eyes with this. What I go do? If this thing continue, I go back to that place. I go tell them say na village people I know. Because see my life. I go see landlord for ground. Landlord go dey resemble money.
Onídúró mi ẹ ṣé.